When you are growing and running a real estate business that is not fueled by cold calling or door knocking, you have to constantly think of ways to get business coming into you. So, we're running an attraction based business. And one of my favorite things to do is to love on my clients, but without breaking the bank, of course. So, today I am sharing with you one of the best emails that I send out. I send it out at least 3 times a year, spaced out every couple of months. And it is always a hit with people. And I think I'm always amazed at how popular it is because it's so simple. So, what I do, this is the email here. I send it out thanking them simply for being part of my world and then giving them a little paragraph. This is not a long email at all. Thanking them for helping me grow my business, for supporting my small business, and for supporting me after all of these years. And then at the end, I say, I'm so grateful for you. Thank you so much. Enjoy a coffee on me tomorrow. And I include a Starbucks gift card, just the barcode, so that they can hit Starbucks the following day, just hold their phone up and they get a free coffee on me. These are the responses that I get every single time when I send this email. And you guys, it doesn't get any easier than this. It takes me maybe 10 minutes to type up the email. I sort of have a flow going at this point. Of course, I tweak it each time, but it's always the same message. It is, thank you so much for supporting me and just being a part of my world. And a simple cup of coffee really goes a long way. So if Starbucks isn't your thing or it's not popular in your area, go with a local coffee spot that is popular. As long as you can get a barcode off of a gift card to then be able to make it easy for your clients to go in and hold their phone up, that's all you have to do. I send this out with Flowdesk, but you don't even need Flowdesk to do this. You could simply use your regular old Outlook, Gmail, whatever it is that you use in your business, and send this out to your database to say, thank you so much. I promise you, you will get responses, and this is something that I would do regularly. I typically spend anywhere from $75 to $100 when people are cashing in on these cups of coffee. But the reward that it brings back, both in the form of keeping in touch with them and getting these responses, but also opening that conversation and letting them know that I'm here for them. I really do love all of my past clients. And then having that consistent communication is how you get consistent referrals. If you implement this in your business, please let me know. Drop it in the comments below. I would love to hear if you got responses from your sphere, your past clients, whomever you sent it to. Let me know how it goes. If you need any help on writing the email out, drop it in the comments below. I'm happy to share with you the full email that I send out as well. Until I see you on the next one, thanks for watching.